Sweeping strings, the journey begins. Piano notes and cello hum, where dreams ignite and time suspends.
Hello luxury Mansıon family, welcome to you all. This is no ordinary house, this is a lifestyle. In the heart of nature, surrounded by spectacular forest views of Colorado, this super mansion is like a combination of 3 giant villas. And it's worth $12 million. Today, we will step inside this magnificent building. 6 living rooms with forest views, 7 luxurious bedrooms, 3 separate kitchens, and much more.
Softly touch through every tear, guardian lights in the sphere. Brighter shines what we revere. Hear the symphony of dreams, flowing tides on silver streams. In the chorus of the beats,
this mansion is not only large, but also cleverly divided, and each living space is a masterpiece in its own right. There are 6 large living rooms in the house, and each one is designed with a different concept. But they all have one thing in common: forest views, huge glass walls, and ultimate luxury. When you step into the first living room, what welcomes you is the huge windows combined with the ceiling height. It's as if the nature outside flows in. The view is not just an image, it is an experience in this house. The furniture is special production: Italian leather armchairs, velvet textured armchairs, a fireplace in the center of the living room with modern but classic lines. Simple but striking chandeliers add a warm and charming ambience to the living rooms when the daylight is low. Another lounge is more socially designed. It is ideal for large receptions, gatherings of friends, or crowded family evenings. There are large seating groups in the center and small conversation corners at the edges. In each living area, spaciousness, aesthetics, and comfort are offered at the same time thanks to the high ceilings and architectural details. This is a house where you will feel special from the moment you step inside, and where you will take on a different mood in each living room. 6 living rooms, 6 different living scenes. And what they all have in common: the perfect combination of a unique forest view and elite living.
Welcome to the dream you never knew. Gold chandeliers and sky so blue. Open the door to marble floors. Living life like royalty, of course. Crystal glasses clink in the night. Views from the top, what a sight. Step inside and lose track of time. Elegance wrapped in every ride. This is where we all belong.
In this mansion, not only the guests but also the rooms are hosted with royal comfort. In front of you are exactly 7 large, luxurious bedrooms with forest views. Each one is designed as if it were a private world, not a hotel suite. It offers spaciousness with its spaciousness, prestige with its material quality, and serenity with its view. The most striking feature of the rooms is their giant windows opening to nature. The first thing you see when you open your eyes in the morning: the forest in the mist. In the evening, the sunset paints your room with golden yellow lights. The master bedroom, almost like a presidential suite, lives on a separate level with its fireplace seating area, its own private dressing room, and spa-like bathroom. With soft carpets that silently walk on the floors, specially crafted ceiling details, and curtains that fall from the ceiling to the floor, everything is elegant and measured in luxury.
Where nothing's wrong.
In a luxury home, a bathroom is not just a need, it is a living experience. And this mansion literally redefines the concept of a bathroom. A total of 6 large, spa-quality bathrooms and 2 private jacuzzi areas await you inside this giant structure. When you enter each bathroom, the first thing you will feel is magnificence in simplicity. Natural stone details used from ceiling to floor, high-quality Italian marbles, and gold-plated fixtures, all combined with elegance. The other bathrooms are functional yet impressive. Each offers a different atmosphere. In one, the feeling of taking a shower in the forest with glass walls opening to nature. In the other, the warmth of a mountain house with stone-textured walls and rustic details. As for the jacuzzi areas, both are designed in a position integrated with nature. The jacuzzi inside allows you to relax by watching the outside from the wide glass walls, while the jacuzzi located outside offers a quiet pleasure under the stars and among the pine trees. Each bathroom has become a relaxation center with details such as heated floors, ambient music system, special aromatherapy diffusers, and sensor lighting.
Sweeping strings, the journey begins. Piano notes and cello hum, where dreams ignite and time suspends. Into the stars our souls will come. Through the dark the shadows break. Moonlight glows a path we take. In the still our hearts awake. Whispers of the
Let's take a look at the kitchens and dining rooms of the house together. The first kitchen is located at the heart of the house. Think of it like a professional chef's kitchen. Stainless steel built-in appliances, a giant island counter, a specially designed pantry room, and ultra-quiet ventilation systems. Cooking here is not just a necessity, it is almost a pleasure. The second kitchen is integrated with an open-plan living room. It is designed more for daily use and family meals. Simple, minimalist but technological, equipped with modern details such as smart refrigerator, touch-sensitive stoves, and integrated coffee station. The third kitchen is the summer kitchen that opens to the outside area, that is, the garden. This kitchen, connected to the barbecue areas, is ideal for outdoor invitations and summer parties. Intertwined with nature, practical and fun. When it comes to the dining rooms, we push the limits of luxury. The large and magnificent dining rooms of this house, together with the wine and alcohol cabinets, offer a complete visual feast. Eating in this mansion is not just a necessity. Every meal becomes a ceremony. Every table hosts a memory.
Feel the magic deep inside.
This house has special areas designed not only for resting but also for producing and getting inspired. Study rooms are areas where silence and prestige meet. Wooden-clad walls, an atmosphere surrounded by bookshelves and large windows looking out. Work is not only done here, ideas grow. Dressing rooms are one of the most enjoyable corners of luxury living. Velvet-covered shelves, illuminated mirrors, shoe galleries, and accessory sections. Think of it as your own personal boutique store. Dressing is not a need but a pleasure in these rooms. And here is a space that is intertwined with nature but comfortable in all seasons, the winter garden. Decorated with indoor plants, completed with comfortable armchairs and natural stone floors. Ideal for a quiet coffee break, a peaceful book moment, or romantic evening. There is also a large cinema hall inside the house. A professional cinema hall equipped with special sound insulation, projection system, giant screen, and comfortable seats adds value to the house. The Spirio, located in a specially reserved section, immediately relaxes you with the aromatherapy scents and dim ambience that greets you at the entrance. The sauna room offers a true Northern European experience with its wood panel covering and hot stone system. You can refresh yourself without leaving the house with the massage area, hot stone section, and shower systems located next to it. And now, I'm taking you to the outside world of this unique mansion, its giant garden and 3 separate swimming pools. The garden is a giant living space surrounded by pine trees, integrated with nature. It creates the feeling of a park with its special walking paths, outdoor seating areas, barbecue stations, and landscape architecture. And here we are at the end of this magnificent journey. Today, we discovered this unique mansion worth exactly $12 million in Colorado, one of the most special regions of America, surrounded by nature but also equipped with ultra-luxury details. This is not just a house, this is a life stage designed to make every moment of life special. We redefine peace in 6 different forest view living rooms, privacy in 7 spacious and comfortable bedrooms, taste in 3 kitchens, and sharing in 3 large dining rooms. Every corner, from jacuzzis to cinemas, spa and sauna areas to barbecue gardens, 3 swimming pools to winter gardens. It is as if it was created to relax both your body and soul. Remember, every house is a structure, but some are a lifestyle. And today, we touched on exactly such a lifestyle. You can continue to discover the fascinating world of such dream homes by subscribing to my channel, and you can support me by liking the video. Take care, see you.
Sweeping strings, the journey begins. Piano notes and cello hum, where dreams ignite and time suspends. Into the stars our souls will come. Through the dark the shadows break. Moonlight glows a path